Namaste everyone and welcome to my channel Sapna's Yoga Diary. In this video we will try to understand why breath meditation is difficult or challenging than any other form of meditation techniques. So this was first my observation. I started my meditation with breath meditation, meditating on normal natural flow of breath, and I meditated for around 6 months or so, and I was finding very difficult to focus. And after 6 months, I tried once or twice. I tried mantra meditation. So when I tried mantra meditation, I felt I went very deep in mantra meditation, though I had not been practicing mantra meditation. It was just 2 days, and then I felt it took me very deep. So I used to think, but again, I switched. I believe in practicing only one form of meditation. So I went back to breath and I continued meditating on breath. But then again, that question again that was on my head, that why breath meditation is so challenging, why I was mantra meditation was so easier, why breath is not taking me that deep. So I got that answer in my Vipassana retreat. So, and it was very well explained there, and that is what I'm going to share here, that why breath meditation is more difficult than other forms of meditation. So, when you meditate on normal and natural breath, you are not adding anything to what is existing. Your focus is on breath, which is a natural process. Okay, and our mind is not used to seeing the reality, seeing the normal happening. Okay, when you practice any other form of meditation, what do? You add something, you modify the reality. For example, when you are chanting mantra, when you are doing mantra meditation, you are adding mantras. Mantras is not something, you know, existing. It is something that you added. Okay. When you do chakra meditation, what are you doing? You are visualizing chakras. Okay. You are visualizing. It is not something which is, it could be there, but you are not watching it, you are visualizing it. So there is a visualization involved. You are trying to visualize something which you are not watching, you are just visualizing it, assuming it's there. Yeah, and the same goes for any other form of meditation. There are a few meditation techniques in which you manipulate the breath also. Okay, you're not focusing on natural breath, you are manipulating it. So you see, in all the other, or when you visualize on particular symbol also, you are adding that symbol in your meditation technique. So basically, in all other forms of meditation technique, you add something, and that addition, modification, manipulation is basically what it is, a prop. So you are adding a prop in reality to focus. But in breath meditation, breath is not a prop, it is something, it is a natural process, and you are developing a habit. What you are doing in meditation, you are developing the habit of seeing the reality as is. Okay, you're seeing the reality, seeing the breath as it is, without any manipulation. That is why it is challenging. You take the example of asanas also. When you are practicing asanas, any difficult asana, what you do, you often use prop, you often use the blocks, you often use the strap to get closer to asanas. Yeah. So so in all the other forms of meditation, what you're doing similarly, you're using a prop to get closer to the objective of meditation. um, that is why other forms of meditation wherein you are using prop uh, is comparatively easier than the breath meditation. But having said that, I also want to emphasize that um, breath meditation, again, it offers, though since it is challenging, but it offers a lot of benefits that other forms of meditation may, I'm not saying will not, may not be able to offer. I won't be covering that in this video, but I hope the objective of this video is clear. You have a clear idea of why breath meditation is difficult than other forms of meditation. Thank you so much for watching. Namaste.